Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning, or if you're new, thank you for clicking on the video. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up in the background, and Happy New Year's. So I just finished up a 3-day juice cleanse and I feel fantastic. I have a lot of energy, if you can tell. I'm normally a little bit more, you know, chill, mellow, but I feel like I got a brand new body. Like, I feel so clean. I feel like everything, literally everything is out. I feel really good. Like, I feel like my cells feel rejuvenated. My skin looks really good. I feel like my organs are up and, you know, running smoothly. So there's so many great benefits of juicing. But if you don't want to do a 3-day juice cleanse, or if you want to do like a weekend juice cleanse, or even a 1-day juice cleanse, girl, I got you. I did a bunch of new and different juices, so I want to share that with y'all. I got some green juices, like some orange type colored juices, got some red juices, got my beets. I'm gonna roll the tapes. I have the ingredients for the juices listed at the top of like every juice that I'm doing, so you can screenshot it, do whatever. You can write it down, pause it, do whatever you need to do. Always come back to it. Make sure you like this video so you can come back to it. Also subscribe if you're, you know, feeling nice. And I'm gonna come back and just share my overall experience of this juice fast with y'all, and some tips, some tricks, and why I decided to juice cleanse in the first place. So let's roll the tapes. This is my Daniel fast grocery haul, and I'm going to walk through. Most of the stuff is from Costco, but we also went to Vallarta's. So these are peppers, tricolor peppers, carrots, grapefruits, car oranges, which I love, sweet potatoes right here, cucumber, lemons, little cutie, mandarin oranges, got 2 things of celery, some French beans, avocado, baby spinach, some almonds, some wild chanterelles. I don't know, never had them before, but they looked interesting and I'm like, why not? I can't eat meat, so I might as well step out of my comfort zone. Some baby bellas, some apples, raspberries, blueberries, some organic medjool dates, some ginger, and then I had got 3 pineapples, but obviously didn't fit the table. Kale, beets, some more apples, some limes, and some green apples. And we got more stuff, but I couldn't put on the table. Got some mint for like water, got some key limes, got some cilantro for a juice, and I got some collards because I'm gonna make some black eyed peas, and I'm gonna have some collard greens on the side. Yeah, I'm excited to eat and get back into not eating processed foods and sugars, and I'm excited for this Daniel fast. Like, look at how colorful this table is. So colorful. That's what we need in our bodies. That's what our bodies love, and we need to honor that. this is the last juice of my cleanse, and I just wanted to do a taste test here on camera, and it's matching my shirt. So let's take a sip. So I don't think that I showed this because it's literally just pineapple, ginger, and coconut water. So let's give it a taste. Oh, I'll try and slow down, be a lady, but that thing good. Oh my gosh. I don't know how refreshing this is for me right now. Because I've been running around all day. Y'all see this makeup. I had to get my makeup done. Got some headshots done, child. I've been running around all day hungry. And this, ooh, this did something. This did something for me. I gotta enjoy the rest of this off camera because I'm making sounds that does not need to be heard on YouTube. Overall, all these juices were good. I'm not even saying that just to say that. I genuinely enjoyed all of these juices. Like, I truly did. I feel like it was like the perfect amount of sweetness, the perfect amount of like the greens and the actual nutrients that you needed. Because I feel like some green juices and even some beet juices, they be tasting a little off. There was either apples or pineapples and like almost everything. So of course it tasted really, really good. Natural sweetness. I really did enjoy all of these juices, and even Keena did too. Yeah, so overall, like, I would highly recommend doing a juice cleanse, whether it's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. I really did this juice cleanse to kickstart my Daniel's fast, and actually I'm going to fast for the whole month of January, as far as no meat, no dairy, no fried foods, no processed foods, or limit process as much as possible. You know, life happens. I'm not going to be too hard on myself. I'm not going to beat myself up too much, but you know, like whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, all that stuff, just getting really back down to the basics. This is what kicked off us going vegan like years and years ago. So we'll see what happens. I'm already kind of just like, you know, I definitely want to keep this up, even if I do incorporate like, you know, like salmon back in, tuna, stuff like that back in for like protein. I definitely want to keep on this whole foods. You know, we're not eating out this whole month. If I'm cooking at home, I know what I'm putting in. I know the sodium content, you know, there's no hidden chemicals and stuff that's going in the food. Like, it's not processed. I'm really trying to get back down to that. Yeah, just fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, seeds. And that's pretty much it. I really want to start meal prepping, at least like the vegetables, like roast the vegetables or something once a week, cut them all up in the beginning of the week and roast them, or do whatever, just help semi prep it so that I can just dump everything in the pan, because I mean, I'm pretty much sauteing everything, getting some wild rice to go with it on the side, or like a sweet potato or something like that, and calling it a day. I really want to start prepping that. If y'all want to see, you know, healthy meals for Daniel's fast, or even if you're not doing Daniel's fast, like if y'all want some easy vegan meal ideas, like let me know. I like cooking, and I can, you know, add that to my video routine on this channel. Based off of the clips that y'all saw, which juice would y'all like to try? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. And if you do end up trying a juice, please let me know which juice you tried, if you liked it. And if y'all have any other juice recommendations, any juice combos that y'all personally like, please let me know, because I want to start juicing at least once a week. It don't have to be all day, but just one meal once a week. I just want to like incorporate that just to like keep it going. I was kind of doing that at the end of last year, and I want to like keep that going because I felt really great, and just I know that I'm getting, you know, fresh fruits and vegetables in my body. So let me know if y'all have any juice combos, because I'm always looking for a good juice. Every time I go to like different stores and restaurants, I'm looking at the ingredients like, okay, I'm gonna try this at home. So if y'all have any, let me know. Thank you again for watching this juicing video, and I have a couple other juicing videos as well, so if y'all want to go ahead and click on those, you know, just to give you some inspiration, some ideas. But if you would please like, share, and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. Without further ado, I will just see y'all later. Be blessed, be safe, be wild, be free. Have a prosperous 2023. That rhymes a little bit, look at me. But I'm out. Bye.